Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I received this little package right here, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This is our, as you saw in the title, the JUVIA'S Place mystery box for the month of April. So let's just jump right in and see what's inside, okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the mystery box, as I cut it open, it is $18 and it comes with 3 products, okay? Usually an eye, cheek, maybe a lip product, or something along those lines, but nonetheless $18. Now I'm going to tell you yet again, this month I used my coupon code and I ended up paying a little bit more than usual, but I paid $19 this month, and that included the shipping and handling as well as the taxes. So the first thing I pulled out, I'm kind of happy because I don't have any of these. Nothing. So let's just see. So the first item I have is the Royalty 2. And this is a loose highlighter. Okay. How about that? Now, I love JUVIA'S Place packaging. It is always amazing. Okay. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And I love opening boxes and packages from JUVIA'S Place because that's my hometown, That's the state I'm from. So I love to see those packages when they come in. All right. So when we open the top, this is what it looks like. Of course, we are definitely going to go ahead and swatch it. I'll use this one for the times when I am doing someone's makeup. So, oh, that is beautiful. All right, so let's grab a brush here. And we're just going to, very, very, very pigmented. All right. So I did seal it back well. You know how I am about shelf life. So when I check this one, it has a 24-month shelf life. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. When I put this on my complexion, it kind of looks like a bronzer for me. Look at that. Okay, it kind of looks like a bronzer. Now, I will tell you another idea you can do. Summer's coming, and you want your skin to look really good, so you can take your I'm ready to call it a bronzer because that's what I said it looked like, but you can take your loose highlight and mix it in with your body oils or lotions, that kind of thing, so it will give you that illuminating look when you are out walking around, make your feet look beautiful after you've gotten that really nice pedicure, and as you're sporting your shorts and summer attire. Okay, so that one is the first item, and as always, I will put their manufacturer suggested retail price down below, and if it is on sale, I'll let you know that as well. Okay, so then the next item that I have, it's a liner, and the last time I got one, I got the blue. This time I received the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, and this one is in the shade Cocoa. All right, and this one has a 12-month shelf life, and of course we're going to swatch this one too. I love their products. They're very, very, as the package even says, intense color payoff. That's what it has. And so I definitely like using them because I enjoy getting a good payoff of color. Okay, so the inside is purple, the packaging, not the product, okay? And let's just go ahead and swatch this one as well. We're gonna swatch it right through this highlighter. Ooh, ooh, look at that. This would have looked really nice with the eye look I had today, which is also by JUVIA'S Place, by the way. Yeah, this one would have been really nice with this. Wow, even this highlight. I'm just using whatever is left on a brush. I'm not swatching it in again. Or I'm not dipping into the package again. Nice. Okay, so that one is the second item. All right, now I said I didn't have any of the items yet, so the other one is wrapped. So let's just unwrap it, and oh my God. Ooh, 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 ooh. Be careful what you ask for. You just might get it. This one is the last item in the mystery box. And this is her new palette just before the cultural palette and liquid liners came out. So let's just cut this open. I definitely was waiting to purchase this one. It was actually a toss-up between this one and getting the culture palette. I said I can hold off on the culture palette for a little bit, but this blue, which happens to be my favorite color, and this is the I Love Ice palette. Whew. Now this one does have a mirror, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it as I show you these shades. Oh, they are just beautiful, okay? And this one has a 24-month shelf life as well. It is a cruelty-free product, and these are what the shades look like. So if you haven't gotten your palette, or if you haven't gotten your mystery box from JUVIA'S Place yet, this is what you have to look forward to for the month of April. Oh, that is so beautiful. And the packaging, it just doesn't let you down. Doesn't let you down at all. Shall we swatch some, or what do we want to do? All right, we will swatch. I'm going to do each of, wow, the shades of blue, not the shimmers, just, well, one of them is, but look at that. Yes. Okay, so here we go. Those are the shades. Look, I'm feeling this ice in the middle, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it anyway. So let's see. Oh, you know what? This one is like an iridescent. Look at that. Right here on the wrist. So that one is like an iridescent look. In the package, it looks white. But when I swatched it and put it on, it has that iridescent glow to it. I like that a lot. Okay, fantastic. So let's just ask the obvious question in the room. Are we satisfied with the items that we received in our mystery box? Absolutely. Absolutely. And I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened our JUVIA'S Place mystery box for the month of April. My feelings are not hurt at all, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.